We're here today at Old Bakery Gin, and we're not discussing all things gin today. We're actually discussing all things rum. And why have we made rum? So did we decide one day that we would just make rum? The idea is no, that was absolutely not on our plans whatsoever. When we tracked down the original family descendants of Pymmes Mews and got the original gin recipe that was made here over 100 years ago, we got a photograph of the bakers stood outside the bakery, and one of them had a picture of this character here. Now, we don't know anything about this guy, so we're not going to start making up marketing stories and all of that kind of thing. But really, this is just our tribute, Will, the plumbers, to this chap, this baker that worked here over 100 years ago. So it's a bit of fun, and we are actually doing something, aren't we? We are actually we're re-distilling the rum. Yep. So what's our process here at the Old Bakery Gin Distillery for actually producing a rum? Well, to be quite frank, that's Will's baby, so that's got your name.
There's more than the gin now.
Yeah, it does.
So what we're doing, we're taking a really harsh Jamaican rum. It's coming in about 60-odd%. I mean, we tasted it earlier, and it's really, it really is quite coarse.
It's rough.
And then what we're doing is we're then running it through our gin still. So we're literally extracting off all that harsh alcohol. Going in dark, obviously coming out clear, about 95%, give or take. And then we are then aging it in American oak barrels. We're lining the casks with Mead, which we've got here, and also the Greek, this very sweet Greek dessert one, which is Mavrodaphne. After the aging process, we then combine it back with the original sugar molasses, which gives you it's almost like a whiskey rum hybrid in a way. And then we're bringing it down to about 40%, and that's our rum.
The actual idea of actually aging it in oak barrels with Mavrodaphne and then Mead actually came from Jerry's of Soho. When we told them that we were going to try and produce a rum in tribute to one of the bakers that worked here, they said, "How are you going to age it?" And obviously we said, all the obvious things like sherry casks or port casks, all the things that everybody else does, because that's all we really knew. And they went, no, you want a local influence. You want Mavrodaphne. Well, we'd never heard of Mavrodaphne. No drunk it. So this is a Greek wine. We're in Pymmes Green. It's got the largest Greek community outside Greece. So here in this community, they will drink this. You can buy it in the supermarkets. Very, very rich, very, very strong, very, very sweet red dessert wine. So you've got a local influence here, and then a very, very British influence, which I know you've already touched on. Mead, and we'll be using Lindisfarne mead, made up in the northeast, made once by monks. It's got a wonderful heritage. So yeah, we've got a British and a very British product and a very local product producing the final parts of our rum.
Please.
How would you describe the flavour? I know it's a low whiskey rum flavour. How would you describe the flavour?
It's like a treacle taste. It's almost like you get that sweetness on the finish. It's like a nice dark treacle finish.
I'd see it as I just get loads of sugar and molasses. I love it. Loads of vanillas.
Yeah.